Hello student, good morning. So today our topic is how do liquids conduct electricity. So here we take a beaker and we put some water in it. We put some water in this beaker and we take separate pot, and here we take salt and we put this salt in this water. Okay, we take two wires and the ends of two wires dipped in this water, and this wire connect to the battery, and we also connected galvanometer to this series. Okay, so this galvanometer shows the deflection. Okay, when current passing through this wire, this galvanometer, I mean the needle of this galvanometer deflected. Okay, so here when current pass through this wire, okay, when current pass through this wire, the magnetic needle will be deflected here. Okay, and this shows that current passing through this wire. Okay, so this is a salt solution. So when electricity pass through this salt water, it will break positive and negative ions. Positive and negative ions. And this ion will carry electricity, okay, from this point to this point. Okay, so here different substances when mixed in water and electricity is passed through them can break apart and form positive and negative ions, or particles in the water. Okay, so different substances when mixed in water. Okay, so different substances that are examples are salt, lemon. Okay, when mixed in water and electricity is passed through them, can break apart and form positive and negative ions or particles in the water. Okay, so in a beaker, water is filled and we put some salt and lemon here. So when we pass electricity, so then it breaks into positive and negative ions. Okay, so positive and negative ions. This type of negative, both are ions. Okay, I repeat again what we do here. So how do liquid conduct electricity? Okay, so different substances when mixed in water and electricity is passed through them can break apart and form positive and negative ions. Okay, two type of ions. So there are two type of ions, positive ions and negative ions. Okay, ions or particles in the water. Okay, and these ions can pass the electric current through them. And here these ions, so there are two type of ions, positive ions and negative ions. So these ions can pass the electric current. Okay, these ions can pass the electric current through them. Okay, the more is the number of ions, I mean the number of quantities of these ions is a more. Okay, so better conductor is of electricity. Okay, the more is the number of ions in a liquid. Okay, the more is the number of ions in a liquid, the better conductor it is of electricity. Okay, I repeat again what we do here. So here ions can pass electric current through them. The more is the number of ions in a liquid, the better conductor it is of electricity. So many compounds, so however many compounds do not form any ions on mixing them with water, and therefore they are poor conductor of electricity, and they are poor conductor of electricity. Okay, such as sugar water, oil, alcohol. Okay, these are poor conductor of electricity. Sugar water, oil and alcohol, these are poor conductor of electricity. Okay, so there are many compounds which do not form any ions on mixing with water, and they are poor conductor of electricity, and these examples are sugar, water, oil and alcohol. Okay, these are some examples of poor conductor. Our next topic is electrolysis. Electrolysis. Okay, I mean the effect in which components of a compound get split due to passing an electric current through them is called electrolysis. Electro means electricity and lysis means breakdown. Okay, the effect in which components of a compound get split due to passing an electric current through them is called electrolysis. Okay, so here we take any beaker. Okay, and the solution is filled in this beaker. This beaker is filled with any solutions, and we take NaCl. Okay, sodium chloride. Okay, so when electricity pass through these solutions, okay, so it break down into ions. These components, I mean the NaCl, break down into ions, Na plus and Cl minus. Okay, the effect in which components of compound get split due to passing an electric current through them is called electrolysis. So here we take any beaker, and this beaker filled with NaCl solutions. Okay, when electricity pass through it, so it break down into two ions. Okay, positive ions and negative ions. Okay, here Na carry positive charge, Na chlorine carry negative charge. Okay, we take separate example. So we take any beaker here. There are two rod shaped material, and this beaker filled with some solutions. This rod is called cathode, and this rod is called anode. Okay, and this is a electrolyte solution. Okay, and when electricity pass through it, so solutions break down into ions, positive ions and negative ions. Okay, these are the positive ions, and these are the negative ions. Positive ion attract towards cathode and negative ions attract towards anode. Okay. And so these are called cation, and these are the negative. These are all the negative here. Okay, negative attract towards anode, and these are called anion. Okay. So our next topic is electrode. What is an electrode? Okay, so an electrode is a conductor of electricity that can carry electric current into non-metals and other poor conductor of electricity. Poor conductors of electricity. Okay. So what is an anode and what is an electrode? So an electrode is a conductor of electricity that can carry electric current into non-metal and other poor conductor of electricity. Okay. So here these two are called electrode. Okay, these two are called electrode. This is a cathode and this is an anode. Okay, positive ions attract towards cathode and negative ion attract towards anode. Okay. Our next topic is electrolyte. What is an electrolyte? Electrolyte. Okay. A solution that breaks into its ions on passing electricity through it is called an electrolyte. Okay, so electrolytes are used in the process of electroplating. Okay, a solution that break into its ions on passing electricity through it is called an electrolyte. Okay, so electrolyte are used in the process of electroplating. Okay, so there are many different examples of solutions: CuSO4, H2SO4, NaCl. Okay, so these are some examples of electrolyte.